Hello, good morning. We are on our way to Blizzard Beach. This morning we have our Dunkin' Donuts, got some coffee, and we got some breakfast bagel biscuits. And I am pretty excited about Blizzard Beach. I have never been there, similarly to Typhoon Lagoon, but we're gonna have a good time. All right, so we're here at Blizzard Beach. We're about to head up here to the ticket windows. Wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail today. Hopefully this works. This is a little waterproof, life-proof case that you can put a phone in, and it should keep it completely dry. So I'm gonna bring it today, so hopefully I can like film some stuff, film some like water slides. I don't know if it's like meant or designed to be completely submerged, but I'm just kind of hoping for the best, and I hope it just doesn't ruin my phone. What do you think?
I hope so too.
I like your input. All right, we are here in Blizzard Beach. My phone is officially in its case now, so I don't know how this sounds, but hopefully you can hear it.
How did this work?
Yeah, so they do have a kind of a wave pool. That's cool. Does this big one go all the way like... Well, that's pretty steep, isn't it? That looks fun.
You can get to all the slides here except for like
Yeah.
little one. These look nice.
That's weird. We're almost there. There's Animal Kingdom over there. You can see the tree. You can see the back of Mount Everest, which is not themed, which is kind of weird, but that's cool. Way over there is Hollywood Studios and Epcot. You can see the Hollywood Tower and then the Epcot Hall. Yay, we did it. That was fun.
Okay.
I'm finding out that it's kind of... You almost fell?
I almost fell out.
Whoops. It's kind of hard to like maneuver and turn on the camera, the video within the case, but got a little bit of it. So that's nice. So we're here in the lazy river, just kind of walking.
Not really being lazy.
Yeah. Oh man.
Hey, Double Dippers, please remember that to take this dip, it is 48 inches tall.
So, was that worth 30 minutes? Nope, it was only about 6 seconds long. It was fun, but it was only 6 seconds long, so I don't think it was worth it.
Careful of the strong current. For your safety, lie on your stomach on the sled and hold on with both hands.
Woohoo! Oh my god! Oh, this is faster than I thought it would be. Oh, this is fun! So far, definitely that was my favorite thing.
That was pretty fun.
So much fun.
Bye.
Alright, this is going to be the ultimate test of this phone case. I really hope you can hear me through this thing, because if not, then today will have been kind of awkward. Well, this feels pretty refreshing, I think. Where are you? I can't see when I pointed at you. Oh man. I wonder if I'm gonna lose my glasses this time. I hope not. Over there, they're doing the winter summer games, or the summer winter games, hosted by Olaf and Christoph, which is kind of cool. It's a bit like rougher than Typhoon. Typhoon just had the big wave like once every 5 minutes or so. This is just consistent waves. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try to test this phone case underwater, and I'm really nervous, but here I go. Ready? Is it still working? It's still working. That's good. Oh. All right, so I think we're gonna go grab some lunch here in a minute. It's about 3 o'clock. The park closes at 5, which is very interesting. We haven't really done a lot. I mean, we've done some stuff, but we haven't like done a crazy. Like we haven't gotten to do like every version of every slide yet. We've only maybe done like every slide once, except the toboggan and except for what's it called up there, Mount Gushmore. So we're gonna try to get that in about 2 hours. I don't know if it's busier today or there's more to do. I don't think there's more to do than Typhoon Lagoon, but it's definitely pretty busy today, probably because it's Saturday. We're creeping. Why creeping? Okie doke. So we're heading over here to Lotta Wada Lodge, I think. Lotta Wada Lodge. It's kind of hard, but it's fun to say. They have like burgers and sandwiches and all that usual stuff. And then I'm gonna take my phone out of the case and see if it's working okay. Alright, so this is what we got here. Got a little salad, and this is my little chicken wrap, some s'mores bites, and some chips, and some soda. Yeah, you excited? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Took the phone out of the case, and it's dry, so I guess this thing works pretty well. For like $8, it did the job, and that's what I was worried about. I was like, is it cheap? But I got like 5-star reviews from most people, so I did it, and I went with it. But now we have about like an hour and a half once we finish this to like do some other stuff in the park. Hopefully it'll be less busy, so maybe we can like get up there and hop on some stuff. I definitely want to do the toboggans. All right, lunch is done. Time to go back into the case. There you go. Woohoo! Yay! Whee! Ah. Oh. Yay, this is nice and enjoyable. Ah. Woo! So smooth. Ah! Ow! Hit my foot. This is a nice one to do after lunch because it's so smooth. Look. So we just did this open one on the left. Now we're waiting for the enclosed one right over here. Oh dear.
Hey, you have to go to the top.
Ready?
You got that?
No! I didn't finish! I stopped right before it.
I stopped right at it.
So that toboggan race was fun, but it depends on the competency and the cooperation of 8 people at once, which I think is
Dumb.
kind of hard to do at a theme park. So we had to wait for, like, a guy went before they even said go, so we had to wait for him to get down. Then he took his time getting off the slide, and then the one right before us, a little girl like let her mat go, and so then it took forever for like the lifeguard at the bottom to like see it, because you can't really see that kind of stuff. So it just kept on taking forever, and people weren't going when they're supposed to. It was just like, then we finally got to go, and she won.
Yay.
It's like 4:40 right now, so we're gonna have time for maybe 1, maybe 2 more things. So I don't know where we're gonna go. We're gonna deliberate, and I guess you'll find out in a second. All right, I think we're gonna go back to the green slope to do the Team Boat Springs, a little family raft, because it was fun. Really, the only ones we didn't do were these 2, like the what do you call it? Like the Mount Gushmore, like speed slides.
I think I could do that one over there, but I don't think I can do that straight line.
Yeah, the bumpy one. Yeah, that's the one that I can do that one.
Trying to look for Magic Kingdom. It should be somewhere over there because that's Animal Kingdom. I can't see it. It's so far away. Oh, there's the water. Oh, there's a group like right behind us. All right, we did it. Park closes in about 5 or 4 minutes, so we might just go hop in the lazy river if they'll let us. Hey to Mickey Tube. They turned off the water.
What?
They turned off like the dripping water effects. Uh-oh.
Attention on the slopes, please. Blizzard Beach is now closed. We ask that you finish gathering all of your personal belongings from the beach and locker areas, as the changing room will be closing in 15 minutes. Please return all rentals to their original location and place all towels in the towel return box located throughout the park.
This is so much nicer when there's nobody in it. If you were curious how deep it is, 2 feet, 6 inches. Blizzard Beach is now closed. Boo! Hey Brennan,
What?
what did the British guy say after he was done renting a locker?
What?
Cheerio.
Okay, I'm gonna say bye-bye.
Okay, I'm gonna say bye-bye. Okay, so bye-bye. We are walking back to the car. Blizzard Beach is closed. Typhoon's closed too. They both close at 5. That was fun. I wish we had a little bit more time to do stuff, but I guess it kind of depends on the day that you go. I think there may have been more stuff to do here than Typhoon Lagoon, but I probably may be wrong. But yeah, there's the car. Cool. Bye! There we go. Have a great day, and thanks for coming with us. I'm glad my phone survived the whole day in my little magical bag. That was kind of a fun little surprise. All right, have a good day. Bye.